Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 game for free via the Steam launcher. So here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store and in search the store search for Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 game and then click on it. Scroll down and here you will see Get Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 free to keep when you get it before 27th of May. So here you will see add to account. So click on add to account button. Click to install now. And here you can see Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 and the file size is 10.57 GB. So click on install. Then go to library. And here you can see that Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So this is how you can download and install Car Mechanics Simulator 2018 game for free, and you can keep this game forever in your account if you download the game before 27th of May. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.